Hello everybody, Farhad here. Welcome to my new video course. I'm going to show you some latest affiliate marketing methods of 2019, and especially I'm going to show you how you can make money on clickbank.com. Actually, I already work in several affiliate networks, several affiliate marketplace, and right now I'm working on warriorplus.com, jvg.com, Cash Network, and some other affiliate networks like Nexus Offer, Max Bounty. But I mostly work on Warrior Plus and JVG network. Here is my Warrior Plus affiliate dashboard. Actually, this is my account wallet. As you can see, I have made a good amount of money here, and here is some of the money in the pending earnings. But as you can see, I have made a good amount of money from this network, and I also made money from JVG and other network. But all I want to tell you that a lot of marketers, if you just search on YouTube or Google how to make money online, then you will see a lot of marketers and everybody has proof. But do you really make money following those videos? Everybody not, definitely not. And when you finish watching this video course, I think not everybody will make money following me, but I will do my best, and I'm going to show you my real case study how you can make money on clickbank.com. Actually, you may have a question for me why you are going to show clickbank affiliate, because when you work on warriorplus.com, they will approve your account, but you need to get approved every time when you plan to promote a new product or plan to promote a product from Warrior Plus or jvg.com, and you need to send a request to the product owner that please give me the approval. And basically, when you are new to Warrior Plus or jvg, they can see your affiliate score, and when you are new, basically your score is 0. So 90% of the time you will get denied by the vendor. But when you work in clickbank.com, and clickbank.com is the best digital product affiliate network, and you don't need to get any approval. I mean, you will get instant approval when whichever product you choose. You just click the promote button and you will get your instant affiliate link. So this is a very good point, good side of this network. And one more thing to add here, because when you get a sale in Warrior Plus or jvg.com, they will basically pay you after 45 days. So that means if you get a sale today, you will get that money. You can withdraw that money after 45 days. So it's a long time, and you're going to pay for the traffic, you're going to pay for many things, and you need to wait for that much of time. And when you get your money back, you can again rework. So that's really a very bad side of warriorplus.com. And yes, once you get some sales, once your score is good in those networks, and they will give you instant approval, but not at the very first time. But when you work in clickbank.com, they have also some conditions like minimum 5 sales. But once you pass those conditions, you will get payment every week, and you can add your payment method here easily. You just add your banking information, and you will get paid either by check or direct bank payment, which we call wire deposit. Alright, so come to the clickbank.com. It's very easy to create an account here, and just give your basic information here, and they will ask your banking information, and they will ask you your name, address, something, the pretty basic things every network asks, and just to fill up this information here, and you will get your account instantly. So first, to do this step, follow this step, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can choose the best products before we start our affiliate marketing. Alright, so thank you very much.